Bonjour. I'm in a park in Paris. Don't laugh. I'm in a park in Paris right now. It's April the 1st when you're watching this video. And I'm starting a new challenge. After spending years on social media, sharing my life in Paris and exploring all the best places in town, reaching 300k on Instagram and more than 300k on TikTok too, I'm really glad to announce that I'm launching a YouTube channel. Better than that, I'm gonna post daily. This is April the 1st, but this is not April Fool's. You say it? April Fool's?
It's not April Fool's Day.
It's not April Fool's Day. It's not a joke. I want to post every day. I started social media when I was like 12 years old, and it was on YouTube. It was in French. I talked about mangas and comic books, then about cultural stuff, organization, productivity, self-help when I was like 17. Who do you want to help at 17? I don't know. I was maybe helping myself. I made tons of videos when I was a kid, and I stopped YouTube when TikTok and Instagram went big, thinking that YouTube was done, that I had nothing to say more in a long format, but I miss it. I miss it so much. I want to say so many stuff. I have so many stuff to share with you, and I think that the long videos is the best way to do it. So if you follow me on Instagram or TikTok, welcome. And if you don't follow, what are you doing here? Follow me. And I can't wait to post all the new stuff that I want on this YouTube channel. I want it to be transparent, authentic, to be really natural to me. Because when I was a kid, I took so much time to make the videos, to find the good background music, to find the good thumbnail. I think that you don't need too big of a setup to start YouTube. You don't need to be like cinematographic. I think that the most important on internet is to share who you are, and that's what I want to do with this channel. After MrBeast and all the big YouTubers making videos that look like TV shows, I think that I lost a little bit the love that I had for YouTube. We need something back now on YouTube. We need people just talking about their life, sharing who they are and what they want to say. That's what I want to do with this YouTube channel. So if you want to explore Paris, if you want to discover Paris, the French culture, the French way of life, don't forget to subscribe. We will be together every day. I want to do it every day, so I will try my best, but I know I can do it. I've already done videos every day when I was a teenager for like 6 months, so I know I can do it. So stay tuned and see you tomorrow. Are you ready for it?
I'm ready. I'm real ready.